guys, Steely here and welcome back to the Golden Sands of Newport Beach for another awesome instalment of Rugby Fives powered by Wahoo. Behind me is the epic setup for what promises to be a day packed full of fun and action. We've got an under-10 junior tournament and a series of senior exhibition matches. And keep an eye out for some Aussie rugby legends, including some of our world champion women's sevens players.
Got 10 seconds for the next round of Rugby 5 2022, powered by Wahoo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We love Rugby 5!
Today's free community event, we're excited to be partnering with our mates at the New South Wales Positive Rugby Foundation. Now, if you've had the chance to get down to Rugby Fives before, you'll know there's far more to be had than at your average sporting event. For those of you new to Rugby Fives, let's go check it out.
This is a lot of fun, you know, coming down and playing touch footy at the beach. They can enjoy being part of their team, but doing it in a much more relaxed way.
I really like how people get to experience the opportunity of going to the beach and playing, and it keeps us fit.
Well, that's a wrap on another epic Rugby Fives powered by Wahoo. Be sure to keep an eye out for our next events coming soon. See you there.